Assalamualaikum, everyone. My name is Suzana and I'm honored to present our conceptual paper entitled Developing an Integrated Macroeconomic Resilient Frameworks, Sanitizing Labor Market Elasticity, Institutional Policy Intervention, and Inflation Dynamics in Emerging Economies. This study proposes a new framework that explains how inflation, labor market, and institutional responses interact to influence macroeconomic resilience, particularly within. Before introducing the framework, it is important to understand the research problem. More, Most existing studies examine inflation, unemployment, or public policy separately. However, recent economic crises, including COVID-19, global supply chain disruption, and inflationary pressure, demonstrate that these factors interact simultaneously. Despite this reality, there is still no integrated conceptual framework that explains how labor market flexibility, institutional capacity, and inflation collectively determine economic resilience. This theoretically gap motivated our literature review highlights two important observations. First, traditional macroeconomic theories often assume stable relationship between inflation and unemployment. However, recent evidence from emerging economies show that these relationships have become increasingly unstable due to unexpected external shocks. Second, policy responses differ significantly across countries. The effectiveness of inflation management depends on economic inflation, not only economic indicator, but also on institutional quality, labor market adaptability, and government responsiveness. Therefore, there is a need for a comprehensive framework capable of integrating these interconnected dimensions. Our framework combines two complementary theoretical perspectives. The first is neo-Keynesian theory, which explains how inflation, price rigidity, and aggregate demand influence macroeconomic outcome. The second is the buffer theory of dynamic capability, which explains how institutions develop adaptive capacity that enable economic to respond effectively during crisis. By integrating this theory, we argue that resilience depends not only macroeconomic stability but also on institutional flexibility. This section introduces the overall architecture of our prosperous integrated macroeconomic resilience framework, or IMRF. The framework is organized into four interconnected components that together explain how resilience is developed and sustained. The framework consists of four major elements. The first is exogenous shocks such as pandemic, financial crisis, geopolitical conflict, and commodity price fluctuation. Second is labor elasticity, referring to how quickly labor market adjusts through employment, wages, and workforce mobility. Third is policy intervention, including monetary policy, fiscal policy, and institutional governance. Finally, this interaction determines macroeconomic resilience, which reflects the economy's ability to absorb shocks, recover especially, and maintain sustainable growth. These four elements operate continuously rather than independently. This table summarizes the variable incorporated into the framework. Our dependent variable is macroeconomic resilience. The key independent variable include inflation dynamics, labor market elasticity, institutional policy intervention, and external shocks. Each construct is grounded in established theories and supported by empirical findings from previous studies. This provides both theoretical consistency and practical applicability for future. Based on the framework, we developed several research propositions that explain the expected relationship among the variables. The following slide briefly discuss this proposition. The first proposition suggests that external shock negatively influence macroeconomic resilience. However, this negative effect can be reduced when government implement timely and effective policy intervention. Our second proposition proposes that labor market flexibility strengthens policy effectiveness because adaptive labor market recover more quickly from economic disruption. Thus, resilience depends on both policy quality and labor. The remaining proposition focus on inflation. We propose that moderate and well-managed inflation contribute positively to long-term macroeconomic resilience. However, persistent inflation without effective institutional responses weaken economic stability and labor market performance. Therefore, inflation should not be viewed as an isolated variable but rather as part of broader adaptive system involving policy and institutional capacity. To demonstrate the framework relevant, we briefly examine Malaysia's recent macroeconomic experience between 2020 until 2020 until and 2024. During this period, Malaysia experienced COVID-19 recession, economic recovery, rising inflation, and subsequent stabilization. This event illustrates how external shocks, labor market adjustment, and government intervention interacted throughout the recovery process. Malaysia therefore provides an appropriate context for applying the purpose. From a policy perspective, the IMRF offers several contributions. First, it provides policymakers with a holistic framework for designing coordinated monetary, fiscal, and labor market strategy. Second, it assists researchers in examining resilient using integrated rather than isolated variables. Finally, it encourages evidence-based policymaking that balances inflation management with sustainable employment and institutional strength. In conclusion, this study proposes the integrated macroeconomic resilience framework as a new conceptual model for understanding resilience in emerging economies. The framework integrates labor market elasticity, institutional policy intervention, inflation dynamics, and external shock into a single analytical structure. We believe this framework contributes to macroeconomics theory while providing practical guidance for future empirical research and public policy. So thank you so much for your attention.